In today's video, we're going to be going over Canva template rules, how to make a Canva template, and how to share a Canva template with your buyers. Now, the first thing that we're going to be going over is the rules, the fun part. I am by no means a lawyer, but I'm just going to be reading off what Canva states. So they state that you can sell templates under certain conditions. The template needs to be original design. You can use a combination of free and pro content. You can only use pro content in a template design if you share it as a template link that brings the buyers back into the design in Canva. Now, if you do use pro content, you will have a watermark over it. The way you can tell if it's pro content is you're going to click on the I and it'll say free for Canva Pro users. Now, this is what the watermark looks like. It's going to have all those X's, the Canva all over it. Again, I would stay away from it. It's personally not a great thing if the buyers need to go purchase another thing after purchasing your template. So if you can, I would definitely stay in the free content. They have so much available. Let's go back to Canva's website. So if we're going to define templates, it is defined as a design that is predetermined and style is intended to be further edited or customized by an end user to produce the required final document. This includes templates for websites, social media, networking websites, documents, projects, or otherwise for distribution and or sale third party. For example, a wedding invitation is a template. You can go in and edit it. You can put your name in, your date in, all of that stuff. An ebook is not a template. It is going to be a digital product, but it's not a template. So you're going to be selling it digitally, but you're not going to go in and edit the ebook. You're going to go and read the ebook, if that makes sense. Now let's go over how to create a template. Now in this video, I'm just going to be going over very quickly. You'll see I have it sped up. Now, when you're on Canva, they have a lot of templates to offer you. Now, I would stay away from that. Personally, I would not go and edit it, change it, and sell it, because if Canva finds that out, you might get in trouble. So what I like to do is I like to start out with just scratch. Now, if you're going to be using a template to use it as a business aspect, but you're not going to actually be selling it, like if you're going to be creating a file to add a link into it, you are able to do that, and we do that further in the video, but stay away from their templates. Now, when you are creating your templates, you need to know what kind of information the buyers would like on that template. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a real estate flyer, and I had to think about what would a real estate agent want on their flyer. Now, I'm in property management, so I kind of have some general idea. Now, I know that's two different areas, like they're two different categories completely, but when I am looking at this kind of stuff for apartments, I want the address, I want how many bedrooms it is, I want the agent's name, I want if it's available, when it's available, all of this good stuff. So I would recommend going on to Etsy and kind of studying what other templates have and making a combination of all the templates to make your template superior, and that's the end goal. You want to make sure that your template stands out with design, with content, all of that stuff. So let's keep going on this, and then I will talk to you guys again once I have finished this design. Let's go over how do you share a template with your buyers. You're going to go up to the top right. You're going to go down to template link. It's a third bubble over on those bubbles. Then you're going to go and create template link and copy it. Now, if I were to go and take that link and put it into the URL, it is going to look something like this. It's going to say a template created by Brittany Smith was shared with you, and then you can go and create that template. Now let's go in and create a new document, and this document is essentially where we're going to add our link to share with our buyers. Now we can actually use their templates because we're not selling this template, we're using it just to put our link into it. So I'm going to go find one that I like that matches the template that I created. Now, I typed in thank you because that is what I'm going to be creating, and you're just going to go and change all of the categories that you see fit. Now, you can see here before I was saying it's important that you have all the categories that people would want, because I'm gonna go change the company name to Estate Flyers. I don't actually have this company name, but I'm just gonna change it to that. And then instead of thank you for coming, I'm gonna do thank you for ordering, because no one's coming anywhere. People are ordering a product. And then the last thing that I'm going to add is I am going to add the template and then a description that if you click the template photo, it will actually bring you to the link. Now we're going to add the template link to this photo. So we're going to click on the 3 dots and then we're going to click the chain. Then you're going to put the link in here. And once you click done, then you'll see the now available. That's actually my template. So if I were to click that photo, it would bring me to the template. Let's save it so I can show you what it looks like. You're gonna click share, then you're going to click download. And once you click download, you're gonna scroll down to PDF, because that's what we wanna save it as. And then here is our PDF. So if I were to click the photo in the PDF, it will actually bring me over to my template. One thing I did notice is that you do have to double click the photo. So instead of click, I would probably do double click just to make it more simple, so you don't have people messaging you saying it's not working. You want to be very clear in this kind of stuff. If you want to learn how to open an Etsy shop, click this video right here and I will see you over there.